welcome back to my channel. This is Titi and today we're going to do something pretty special. I'm just kidding. We're going to create another edit. This time around, as you might guess, as you might have seen in the thumbnail, we are going to create a house out of clouds with an animated smoke. So it has been highly inspired by Ariane Teo, which I will strongly invite you to check him out and drop some love. You know, subscribe to his channels on TikTok, Instagram and YouTube. If you love this video, don't forget also to like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive a notification every time I upload a new video. Alright, my lovelies. Without any further ado, we should, start. Also, I wanted to let you know that there might be another video for the weekend and that I'm preparing the video for the cooking channel. Shh.
I'm not here for you to blow your one and only chance. I'm not here to waste my time on yet another bad romance. Now I got hopes for us tonight, for this here thing to turn out right. So from the start, let's get this one thing clear. You should know you're looking at a self-made woman. You should know I got nothing for free in this life. None of us can know what's coming. So if you wanna be with me, baby, can't you see? You gotta make room for a self-made woman like me. You gotta make room for a self-made woman like me. Gotta make room for a self-made woman. Gotta get on the floor. Know you're looking at a self-made woman. I don't expect you to lie down flat, not unless you really want. I'm not after a new doormat or a pretty thing to flaunt. So if you got plans for us tonight, for this here thing to turn out right, then from the start, let's get this one thing clear. You should know you're looking at a self-made woman. You should know I got nothing for free.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I say, see it in your mind, trust that you have what it takes inside. Cause you can make it too, if not says who. Yeah, you can make it too, if out your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your